Hi guys, so I'm just from the farm and we got very nice produce and I wanted to share with you what we have today and the benefits of the different things we have. So you can see we have this really nice lettuce. It has done so well. Please add it to your basket tomorrow, and it is so yummy, it's so luscious, it's so fresh, guys. Please don't miss out on it because remember we have a little duka. We don't really have a fridge to store everything in perfect condition. So it's nice when you make your orders when the stuff is fresh from the farm. And then here we have marjoram. Remember I did a video some time back about how to make marjoram tea. It's normally so good and soothing, especially if you have issues, maybe sleeping at night, you're not sleeping very well. I always like to throw some marjoram and some mint leaves into hot water. I boil it, and add some crushed ginger. It normally makes very nice tea. So please have this as a consideration, and it's so nice, very nice and pungent, very nice. So guys, don't miss out on the benefits of marjoram. It has a lot of benefits also. Yeah, by the way, it also helps with tummy. If you have stomach issues, if you're constipated and you just want to, just have a nice free tummy, this works very well. And then also, remember I sent a picture of the big huge spinach patch. We have a lot of spinach, guys. Look how good it is and so nice and fresh. Yeah, amazing, guys. Please just place your order. We'll be getting we have some fresh today, we'll be getting lots tomorrow, and the whole week we're going to be having spinach. And remember, we said we eat what's in season and what's available, so we have a lot of this. Then please pass me your spoon. And then we also have traditional manago. I mean, we cannot overemphasize how good these vegetables are. The other managos are good, but the good thing about the ones that are traditional is that they're just basically just the real thing. I mean, this is the wild stuff. Thanks, Dan. This is the real thing. I mean, they're high in iron, they're also high in fiber. They're good for guys who are battling diabetes, for weight loss, because they're high in fiber. So it means that when you eat it, you're full for longer, which helps in weight loss. And some people normally ask, are they bitter? Will my children like it or not? These are not really bitter, to be honest. And if you find they are slightly bitter, just add them with a bit of kunde or some terere, and then cook with cream and let them sleep overnight and eat the next day. Never cook them on one day and eat the same day. Just eat and then you have them the next day. So these are lovely, guys. I love these managos. We normally have them at home every single week just as they are. We don't even, we normally add milk or cream because they taste very nice with that. But they're basically, this is like, you're asking about if we really do organic, this is 100% organic and wild and natural. This is straight from Mother Nature. I've talked about it so much. And then look at that skooma. I know some people are normally like, I'm not so sure if I want skooma, it gives me acidity, and I accept some people have acidity. But what I realized, when you have organic skooma, it actually doesn't really affect your tummy that much. What happens is some people normally don't take skooma because they say it's bitter. Most times it's bitter because of the pesticide residue. But ours is grown all natural. And remember how we grew up, a lot of us, we used to mix some skooma and spinach, chop it up, and it makes very nice greens for your ugali or for your rice and beans or whatever meal you're having. The thing about it, by the way, guys, if you don't buy greens, you won't eat them. So I recommend very highly that you're going to have, that you have your skooma when it's nice and fresh. Don't wait for it to stay in the shop 2-3 days. Please, you order tomorrow, guys. Please, let's do that. And then I want to show you guys the spring onion that makes me cry. Guys, help me with a bunch of spring onion. That makes me cry when I'm driving. This spring onion is normally so strong. I love to cook most of all my food with spring onions. These are so nice. And oh my word, let me tell you, you start chopping them, halfway through you're already crying. Imagine when I'm driving from the farm to here, I normally have to have all the windows open because the spring onions makes my eyes tear, and that's not a very good thing for a driver. It's not, but anyway, we have to do what you have to do. So we have lots of that. And guess what's back? Chilies! Those who love chilies. You guys, we have red, we have green chilies. Those who love green chilies, we have them. And we have red chilies, and I'm seeing some nice yellow chilies in there, some orange chilies. So those who want that, yeah, we have those. I think I've shared, and the list is really long. I mean, you guys, we have celery, we have carrots, we have kanzira. Kanzira normally doesn't have a long shelf life, so those who want it tomorrow morning, please add it to your basket. Let me look what else is here. Oh yeah, we have some very nice cabbage. Remember the farmer? The last one. Dan, pass me the cabbage. Guys, 1 minute. Everyone is helping me to advertise what we have at the shop. Dan, help me with the cabbage. Dan is falling over himself. He's helping Dondoa vegetables. Maybe he's a very efficient logistics manager. Dan, telling me I want to put out one egg. There he is. Dan is so efficient. We love him a lot. He does a very good job. And by the way, Maggie is on the other side. Credits to Maggie. She's very good at videography. Thanks, Maggie. Caro is on the other side. Caro, let us hear your voice.
Hi.
I don't know if you heard it. Ed is behind.
Hi.
There is Ed. Look at this cabbage, guys. I mean, I decided to actually get one. Remember the farm I told you, the small scale farmer? We just buy maybe 30-40 heads from him every week. He has a little patch. You know, these cabbages are really sweet. I actually got some and I made some coleslaw. It was such a nice cabbage. I just, you know, the usual. You have your carrot, you have your cabbage, a little lemon drizzle. We have lemons, we have lime. Of course, you drizzle a bit of lime, a bit of salt and mayo. Oh my gosh, the coleslaw was amazing. So guys, get your cabbage. And yeah, I think, yeah, the list is long. We have lots of things. We have more than 30 items tomorrow. So yeah, place your orders tomorrow with Carol and Maggie and everyone at the shop. And guys, have a good week. I'm going to be back to the farm on Friday, and I'll be sending more videos of what you're doing on Friday. Bye bye.